Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Cops Teach Shoplifter a Lesson She Won't Forget. Man, let's get into the video, man. These people be stealing for no reason.
Down!
This woman tried to hide in a laundromat after stealing from a nearby grocery store and assaulting the employees. When she tries to attack the officer who finds her, she learns the hard way that she isn't above the law.
How you doing, man?
Good.
What you doing?
Get off me.
Relax. Don't start up. Alright? Don't start up right here. Put your stuff down. Put your stuff down.
What do you want?
You know what I want. Put your stuff down. Stop acting up. Put your stuff down. Didn't I tell you?
She tried to overpower him.
No!
You better act right.
You better calm down. Now you're gonna get charged for. You're gonna get charged for.
Oh, here come the bystanders. Gotta love it.
Relax.
Like, what are y'all standing there for? Like, y'all was doing the dryer, y'all put y'all little coins in it, and now y'all just standing there. Like, for what? Move along. Like, I don't get this stuff. Like, the bystanders be killing me, bruh. Like, really. Like, y'all mad close. Like, back up.
Relax. You gonna break your arm? Can you stop? Did I tell you to stop?
Now that's good. Everybody cleared out. Good.
Man, roll over. I gotta get you up. Stand up.
One big child, man.
Ma'am, you need to stand up. It's over. Stand up. You're not going anywhere. It's over. Okay? Let's walk to the car. It's over. It's done. Stand up. Grab her legs.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Stop kicking. Eddie, grab those. Here, I got it. Eat first.
Yo, the fake crying like a baby is so annoying, bro. All the criminals do this. Like, I don't understand it. Like, it's not gonna help your case. It's done. Like the cop said, it's over. Like, it's a wrap. You just be an adult. Like, come on, man. The fake baby cries. Come on, man.
Stop acting like a child.
Just like a 2-year-old, man.
Put your feet down. Let me see your foot. I was just gonna take her shoe. Oh. Her shoe.
Hey, just watch yourself.
Just take her shoe.
She's kicking with her shoes. Just watch yourself. Is it hot?
I can't tell. I didn't get to see her face.
Probably.
Hot. You're okay, okay? Hot.
You're okay. She was face down.
You know it's bad when they know you on first name basis. You know you a problem.
Look at me. Look at me. Look who it is.
Tell them.
Stop. You're okay.
You're not? She was hiding in the bathroom before I even ID'd her. And then we waited for her to come out. She came out. When she came out, she was like, I said, stop. You're under arrest. And she immediately fought back, tried to assault me. And I just tossed her to the ground. Cuffed her up. She fought the whole time. Oh, yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Jiu-Jitsu man had her pinned on the ground. You good?
Yeah. Pass.
You all right?
Nah,
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. We're just taking it. And she probably got other stuff in here.
Okay. At school?
We gotta go to CVS.
Take from CVS too, Joe?
That's where I'm coming from. See, they spotted her. ID'd her.
You need me to do anything for you?
No.
Don't you worry about that.
This is the stuff from CVS.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
They'll take it. Steve is going over there now.
Yeah, that right there.
Her shoving in the jumper and attacking him?
Yeah, you need to grab behind him. Bring your car. In case shit pops up.
Guys, get her out of here.
Yeah, we're about to go.
Take that stuff out of here real quick. Just take it all out.
Here, you want to just take all this to headquarters?
Take this to
Yeah, I like what Sarge said. Like, they trying to calculate the stuff right then and there and figure out. Listen, she's you can't do that right now. Like, get her, start getting her processed and get her, cause she's just gonna jack up that car, man, crying like a 2-year-old.
You the one who called? Okay. We have this is the stuff we brought back that she had on her. We need a receipt for the stuff that she took, and then we can send you a link for the video of the shoplifting.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? What's up, mommy? What's up, mommy? I see you, girl.
You a link for the video of the shoplifting that you can upload the video to instead of giving us a hard copy anymore. We can get that all through a link.
Okay, go Brayton County.
We just need a receipt for the items that she.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.